Steyr Arms has built a legacy of precision and innovation for generations. From its early days in Austria to modern designs, the story is packed with evolution and impact. Let's explore them together. Starting off with handguns. Mannlicher M 1894. One of Mannlicher's wildest experiments, the barrel actually shoots forward when you fire it. Only around 200 ever made. A fascinating piece of early semi-auto history that collectors go crazy for. Mannlicher M 1901. An elegant early pistol with a top-loading fixed magazine. Mannlicher was really pushing boundaries here with delayed blowback. You can see how this influenced later Steyr handgun designs. Up next, Roth Steyr M 1907. This was actually the world's first military semi-auto pistol when the cavalry adopted it in 1908. The rotating barrel lock in 8mm was super reliable. Over 100,000 made. Up next, Steyr M 1912. The famous Steyr Hahn served through both world wars. That stripper clip reload and solid 9mm Steyr punch made it beloved by Austro-Hungarian troops. Build quality was absolutely first-rate. Steyr GB. Steyr tried something really innovative in 1981 with gas-delayed blowback. The 18-round capacity was impressive and recoil was soft, but the complexity hurt sales. Ahead of its time, honestly. Steyr M series. Steyr's modern polymer striker-fired answer to Glock. Those weird trapezoidal sights are polarizing, but the low bore axis and ergonomics are excellent. Available in 9mm, 40 and 357 SIG. Continuing with submachine guns. Steyr Solothurn S1 100. People call this the Rolls-Royce of submachine guns for a reason. The machining is absolutely beautiful. Too expensive to mass produce, but Austria and Portugal loved them. The next one, Steyr MPI 69, Austria's workhorse submachine gun from 1969. That wraparound bolt design keeps it compact, while the blowback action stays dead simple. Served Austrian forces for decades without drama. Steyr TMP, a tiny machine pistol that packs serious firepower. The rotating barrel system and integrated foregrip make it surprisingly controllable. B&T bought the rights and now makes it as the MP9. Next up, rifles and carbines. Verndl Holub M 1867. Austria's first proper cartridge rifle with a clever rotating block. That 11mm black powder round packed a punch. Steyr's predecessor company made these by the thousands. Up next, Mannlicher M 1895. The legendary straight-pull bolt that let soldiers fire way faster than turn bolts. Over 3 million made for Austria-Hungary. That 8mm Mannlicher cartridge became iconic across the empire. Dutch Mannlicher M95. The Netherlands loved the straight-pull design so much, they adopted it in 6.5mm Dutch. Saw heavy use in the East Indies, known for being incredibly accurate and smooth. Up next, Krag Jørgensen M 1894. While not a Steyr product, this Danish rifle has one of the smoothest actions ever. That side-loading capsule magazine is genius. You can top it off anytime. Mannlicher Schönauer M 1903. Hunters still rave about this rifle over a century later. That rotary magazine is buttery smooth, and the craftsmanship is unreal. A true Steyr classic that sets standards. Mauser Kar 98K. Steyr cranked out hundreds of thousands of Kar 98Ks during the war with codes like BNZ. Austrian quality control meant these were some of the best K98s around. VG98, a desperate, last-ditch rifle from 1945. Steyr made small numbers of these crude, straight-pull designs when Germany was scraping the bottom of the barrel. Pretty grim stuff. Now this is the Mannlicher SBS 96. Steyr's safe bolt system from 1996 brought modern engineering to bolt guns. That 3-lug bolt and hammer-forged barrel deliver serious accuracy. Popular with hunters worldwide. Up next, Steyr Aug, the bullpup that changed everything in 1977. Integrated optic, quick-change barrel, modular design, it still looks futuristic today. Over 30 countries use it, and Austria nailed it. Then, Steyr Scout. Built to Jeff Cooper's scout rifle philosophy. Forward scope, lightweight, integral bipod. In .308, it's the perfect general-purpose bolt gun. Steyr really understood what Cooper wanted. Steyr Zephyr II, Steyr's Precision 22 LR sporting rifle. Match-grade barrel and trigger bring full-sized rifle accuracy to rimfire. Beautiful stockwork shows the company's attention to detail. Steyr STM 556 RS 556, a modern modular platform for special forces. Ambidextrous controls and free-float barrel in 5.56mm. Steyr designed it to handle the nastiest conditions you can imagine. Steyr monoblock. The barrel and receiver machined from one solid chunk of steel. Zero-tolerance stacking means insane accuracy. Premium hunting rifle engineering at its finest from Steyr. Moving on to machine guns. Steyr Solothurn S2 200. An innovative 1930s light machine gun that influenced the MG34. Quick change barrel and selective fire in 7.92mm. Steyr's engineering DNA is all over this thing. Next, MG34. Steyr was a major manufacturer of this revolutionary general-purpose gun. That 900 round per minute cyclic rate and precision machining made it deadly, but expensive to produce. MG42. Steyr churned out thousands of MG42s with stamped construction. That 1,200 round buzzsaw sound is legendary. Influenced every belt-fed that came after it. Next on the list is precision and sniper rifles. Steyr SSG 69. This 1969 sniper rifle set the standard for decades. Cold hammer-forged barrel and that rotary bolt in .308 police and military snipers worldwide still trusted. Steyr SSG 04. Modern evolution of the SSG with better adjustability. Available in .308 and 300 Win Mag with enhanced ergonomics. Steyr kept what worked and improved everything else. Steyr SSG 08. Folding stock, multiple calibers including .338 Lapua, full rail system. Elite units worldwide run this thing. Steyr basically perfected the precision rifle formula here. Next, Steyr SSG M1. Multi-caliber system where you can swap barrels between .308, 300 Win Mag and more. Macmillan stock and guaranteed sub-MOA. Professional marksman's dream from Steyr. Steyr DMR 762. Semi-auto designated marksman rifle in 7.62 NATO. Fills that gap between infantry rifle and full sniper gun. Steyr designed it for squad-level precision fire. Let's move on to anti-materiel rifles. Solothurn S18 1000. A 20mm monster that's basically a handheld cannon. 118 pounds of anti-tank fury from the 1930s. Two-man crew needed just to handle the recoil. Now this is the Steyr HS50. Single-shot 50 BMG with hydraulic recoil buffer. That 33-inch barrel reaches out to extreme distances. Steyr built it for taking out vehicles and equipment. Next on the list is grenade launchers. Steyr GL40. Lightweight 40mm grenade launcher that works standalone or under barrel. Side opening breech is super quick. Fires standard NATO 40mm grenades to 400 meters. To wrap things up, prototypes and experimental weapons. Sturmpistol M18, a World War I experiment converting the M1912 pistol to full auto. Extremely rare prototype showing early submachine gun thinking. Cool piece of Steyr's experimental history. Steyr Solothurn S17 100. Heavy submachine gun prototype from the 1930s. Beautifully made, but too complex and expensive. Steyr's high standards sometimes worked against mass production. Steyr ACR. Steyr's wild entry for US advanced combat rifle trials. Fired flechette darts at insane velocity with synthetic caseless ammo. Too complex to win, but fascinating engineering. Up next, Steyr IWS 2000. A smoothbore firing tungsten penetrators at nearly 5,000 feet per second. Designed to punch through armor at range. Powerful but totally impractical classic Steyr over-engineering. Steyr AICW. Combined 5.56mm rifle with 25mm airburst launcher, computer and rangefinder. Way too heavy and complex. Steyr was thinking future soldier, but reality wasn't ready.